Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to log out Gemini app, updated. Open Gemini and tap your profile icon in the upper right to access account options immediately. Scroll to the bottom of the menu to find Log Out or Sign Out, then tap it and confirm when prompted. If you use multiple accounts, repeat these steps for each one to ensure no active sessions remain on shared devices. In this video, I will show how to log out Gemini app, updated. It's smart to sign out whenever others might access your device or network, especially on public Wi-Fi. Signing out also prevents unauthorized background sessions after password changes or support troubleshooting. Make it a habit to check active devices in account settings and remove any you don't recognize, which keeps your account secure and gives you peace of mind. In this video, I will show how to log out Gemini app, updated. Please subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long setup sessions and fits cup holders, making it perfect for on-the-go tech fixes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to log out Gemini app, updated. If logout options are missing, try force closing the app and reopening it, then revisit your profile menu. Clearing the app cache can resolve unresponsive buttons without losing data. If problems persist, reinstall the app to reset its state, then sign in and log out normally to ensure the session ends correctly on that device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.